Monday, baby. I'm putting in a day's wage. Get these papers manifested. Guy here to the customer. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Boom, and that's it. Heading back to the shop over in Indy. Should be a 2.5 hour drive back.
So now these doctors are coming out with $400,000. I think the average is like $300,000 in student loan debt now.
Yo, I'm back here at Central. I'm about to show you what we do with returns. Yeah,
Person can't figure out the fucking paperwork.
That's what we do. We drop off our returns right there at the dock.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more trucking content, baby.